Hi, welcome back to Bruce's Blast, and I'm Bruce Gaines. It's been a busy month here in Addison. We presently have for sale 47 homes, 15 of which have a sports equity and 32 with a golf equity. They range in price from $249,000 up to $3,495,000. We presently have under contract 8 homes, 1 with sports and 7 with golf equity. They range from $275,000 up to $1,850,000. We have sold since January 1. There's been 3 homes that have closed in Addison. Again, with the sports, it's 2 homes and 1 with golf equity. Today's feature home is very special. It's one that's in Montecito. It is a Bardini model, which is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath home with a great room design. They have tile floors throughout, crown molding, upgraded kitchen with granite counters, 42-inch cabinets. It has a south by southeast exposure, fantastic pool area with pool and heated spa, and it's been reduced to $359,000 with a sports equity available. The seller said he wants to make a deal on this home. So if you or a friend of yours is looking for a great deal in Addison, give us a call. All of our information is at the bottom of this blast. Our number is 561-289-7777. Or you can go to our website, bruce@brucegaines.net. For those of you who are looking to upsize or downsize, or go out of the community and looking to go to the ocean or to one of the many fine 55-plus communities, give us a call. Bonnie and I have been in the real estate business here in the area in excess of 25 years. Because when you deal with Bonnie and I, there is a difference. We look forward to seeing you at next Bruce's Blast. Bye-bye.